Picture this. You're enjoying your golden years, filled with vigor, strength, and the freedom to do what you love. But here's the catch. It's not going to happen by itself. Your muscles are secretly fading away, even if you're not feeling any pain. By the time you reach the age of 80, if you don't take action, you might find yourself weaker and more prone to falls than you anticipated. But here's the silver lining. You have the power to reverse this trend and build muscles that will support you through your twilight years. And guess what? It all starts with the food you eat. Imagine waking up every morning ready to seize the day. Whether it's gardening, dancing, or chasing after your grandkids. You deserve to live life on your own terms. So get ready to uncover the top 6 foods that will supercharge your muscle strength and keep you living life on your own terms. 1. Orange. The vitamin C dynamo. When it comes to muscle strength and longevity, oranges stand out as a true champion. This juicy citrus fruit is loaded with vitamin C, which plays a pivotal role in boosting collagen production. Collagen is like the glue that holds your muscles, bones, and skin together. And as you age, maintaining strong collagen levels is crucial for preserving muscle mass and preventing loss. Not only does vitamin C ensure that your body synthesizes enough collagen, but it also aids in the absorption of iron. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, a protein in your red blood cells that transports oxygen throughout your body. Adequate oxygen supply is vital for your muscles to stay energized and prevent fatigue during physical activity. Plus, oranges are packed with fiber, which promotes good digestive health. Proper digestion is key to absorbing nutrients, including those essential for muscle maintenance. In fact, research shows that older adults with sarcopenia often have gut issues that affect their muscle health. So next time you see an orange, dig in. Its refreshing taste and powerful nutrients will fuel your muscles and keep you going strong. Remember, real strength comes from embracing the power of nature's gifts, one juicy bite at a time. 2. Greek yogurt. The calcium powerhouse Greek yogurt isn't just a delicious culinary delight. It's a powerhouse for preserving muscle strength and overall health as you age. This thick, creamy dairy delight is packed with approximately 500 milligrams of calcium in just 1 cup, making it an excellent choice for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Calcium is vital for muscle contraction and relaxation, ensuring that your muscles function optimally and support your active lifestyle. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, containing around 20 grams per serving. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, helping you maintain your physical strength and muscle mass as you age. Additionally, Greek yogurt is rich in vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in promoting healthy muscle function and reducing the risk of falls in older adults. Don't settle for ordinary yogurt when you can indulge in the extraordinary benefits of Greek yogurt. Incorporate it into your daily diet and enjoy the nourishing goodness that will keep you feeling strong and revitalized. 3. Salmon. The omega-3 rich muscle protector. When it comes to safeguarding your muscle strength and overall well-being, salmon stands as a true shining star. This majestic fish is an exceptional source of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a vital role in combating inflammation and protecting your joints. Omega-3 salts help lubricate your joints, reduce stiffness, and alleviate pain, allowing you to move with ease and confidence. Whether you're indulging in a delicious salmon fillet or enjoying it in a delectable salad, each bite nourishes your muscles and supports your active lifestyle. Salmon also boasts a high protein content, making it an ideal choice for preserving muscle mass and preventing loss as you age. Furthermore, it's rich in vitamin D, which aids in the absorption of calcium for stronger bones and teeth. Salmon's unique golden hue comes from astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress and supports heart health. So embrace the wild flavors of salmon and let it be your trusted companion on the journey to a healthier, stronger you. 4. Broccoli. The anti-aging superfood when it comes to maintaining muscle strength and fighting the signs of aging, broccoli emerges as a true anti-aging superhero. This humble green vegetable is packed with sulforaphane, a powerful compound that helps neutralize harmful toxins in your body. Toxins can weaken your muscles, disrupt hormonal balance, and accelerate aging. But broccoli's sulforaphane has the remarkable ability to combat these harmful substances, keeping your muscles protected and rejuvenated. Additionally, Broccoli is a rich source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in synthesizing osteocalcin, a protein essential for bone health. Strong bones are vital for supporting your muscles and ensuring your overall mobility as you age. Moreover, broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, meaning it belongs to the cabbage family. Cruciferous veggies are renowned for their cancer-fighting properties. They contain glucosinolates that aid in DNA repair and help protect against cellular damage. So don't underestimate the power of broccoli. Embrace its crunchy goodness and let it be your ally in the quest for a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant you. 5. Sweet potatoes. The nutrient-dense strength booster sweet potatoes aren't just a delightful culinary treat. They're also a powerhouse of nutrients that support muscle strength and vitality as you age. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision. As you enter your golden years, preserving your eyesight becomes increasingly important. Sweet potatoes also contain an array of antioxidants that help protect your muscles against oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants, such as vitamin C, manganese, and beta-carotene, support overall muscle health and prevent age-related muscle loss. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Good digestive health is essential for nutrient absorption and waste elimination, contributing to your overall well-being. With their delicious taste and impressive nutritional profile, sweet potatoes are a nutritious addition to your diet. Incorporate them into your meals and enjoy the nourishing benefits that will keep you feeling strong and vibrant. 6. Turkey. The protein-packed mobility maestro. When it comes to preserving muscle strength and ensuring effortless mobility as you age, turkey takes center stage as a true mobility maestro. This lean protein powerhouse is packed with approximately 25 grams of protein per serving, making it an excellent choice for maintaining muscle mass and preventing loss. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues, ensuring that your muscles stay strong and resilient as you navigate the golden years of life. But that's not all. Turkey is also a great source of vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in promoting healthy brain function and coordination. Adequate levels of vitamin B6 help support your nervous system, allowing you to move with precision and grace. Additionally, turkey is rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that contributes to the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and happiness. So gobble up the goodness of turkey and let it be your trusted companion on the path to a healthier, more active, and fulfilling life. Hey, these 6 foods: oranges, Greek yogurt, salmon, broccoli, sweet potatoes, and turkey, your allies in the battle against age-related muscle loss and inflammation. Hey, by incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily diet, you'll nourish your muscles, protect your joints, and promote overall vitality. Remember, age is just a number, and with the right nourishment, you can continue to thrive, stay active, and embrace life to the fullest. If you've reached this point in the video, chances are you're as passionate about health and wellness as we are. We've handpicked 2 more guides that will deepen your knowledge and empower you on your journey to optimal well-being. Click here to access them now. Guide 2. Unveiling the top 6 morning habits that significantly reduce the risk of mortality. Discover the simple yet profoundly impactful rituals that can transform your life and increase your lifespan. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of longevity? Invest in yourself and take the next step towards a better, brighter future, where well-being is worth it. Thank you for watching.